This would be a great Valentine's Day look. I love Danessa Myricks and I love her Colorfix. So I picked up chocolate and I'm gonna use that as my eyeliner first, but I think I might use it all over my lid. We'll see. So I'm taking a thin angled brush and I put a little bit on my palette and I'm gonna start it off as my eyeliner first, but I might be a little bit more dramatic tonight. This color would look so pretty on green eyes. Oh no, oh no. Let's get that off. Ooh, that might actually be a good blush. Right, so interesting. If it's sheared out, it looks more red. And when it's on as a solid opaque color, it looks like a chocolate. What does that look like? I'm actually gonna use this as a lip stain. Well, I'm glad I tried that. That's so pretty. What if I'm gonna try it on my cheeks? I've mixed a little bit of the foundation in with the Colorfix. Oh, and let's see how it goes. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. These Colorfix allow you to be your own makeup artist. So in a pinch, I literally could pack one product, have my eyeliner, my blush, and my lipstick all in one. Okay, I am gonna go crazy and use it as my eyeshadow as well. Let's see how this goes. I might be sorry, but we'll see. So the same blend that I created for my blush, I'm going to use it on my eyes, just a little bit darker, but a little less foundation and more of the pigment. A tissue just to wipe off any excess and drag it in. Not bad, not bad. I can't believe this is all one product. Let's do a little bit of liner. Doing a thin line underneath my lash line, nothing too smoky. I think I'm gonna mix these two for right here. Those two colors are mixed. Oh my gosh, this is so fun to play. I think that's what I love about Danessa Myricks is I can play and mix and you're not stuck ever with just one color. If you have a few, then you can mix and match whatever you wanna do. And because they can be used on all parts of the face, lips, eyes, and cheeks, there's no limits. I hope this gives you inspiration of how to use pigments. Danessa Myricks has wonderful pigments that you can use for everything. Perfect for a makeup artist, by the way. So I hope this helps and I will see you later. Bye.